back to another episode. We are going to nothing horse. And yeah, let's do this. And boys, this is London. Please check out my clan. Just reckon leave capitals and then just that. I'll just give you a minute to just have a look and take a picture. Is there any gem boxes near? So it looks like we'll train some troops and then we'll go fight in war. But in war, I don't know how bad it's gonna go. I mean, how good it's gonna go. And just collect that gold. And then that one and that one. Right, I'm gonna close my eyes. And if I hear something, then I heard something. What was that? Are you checking your volume? That was actually me. And boy, wait a minute. Here we go. Sorry about that, guys. So what I want to do is go another two. Right, when I go on that and go on that, then we'll get in war. On this fucking target we had. What for me? That's for me. Didn't think about that. Oh, sorry guys, I just went so bad. Oh, bonks. I got 0%. That's pretty good. Oh. So what else have we got to do? What's that one? Remove bushes and that. I think we might do something else. As you can see by the time, I've literally just woke up. And I accidentally deleted Bloom Battles. And I pulled it, I got it back in purchase, so we have to start all over again. So, if we go on it, Azul, going to a village on the lookout, ready to go. He's with, yeah, probably the same. This we go, but let's skip the map. I don't like that map. Sorry. That's the map. Connection. He left. Oh. Come on now. Come on, quick, let's spy. Oh, I didn't get enough time to spy. Right, so what I want to do, you put them in. Oh, that looks a bit dumb. Oh, that's so cool, it spins around. I don't know how well this is gonna go, but we'll soon find out. Let we just have a big stretch. There we go. So, I hope you guys are enjoying this. And if you are, please hit the comment, because I love reading. A subscribe or a like. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button or even the like button. So if I get on this, he should be nearly fully relaxed. Oh, he's nearly fully relaxed. What is he doing over there? That is just crazy. Crazy madness. We have got to wait another 1,000 to upgrade him again, which is a max level, I think. 2,000. No, we're gonna be close. We're close. We're close. Oh, probably when this. Oh, there we go. Why did I just press that? Oh well. So now what we need to do is, if we get a ninja there and upgrade him, then what's happening over there? I don't know. Sorry guys, just got a bit of a cough. So yeah, soon I might be doing something else on this, on tutorials to do stuff maybe. But if you are enjoying this, just please hit that subscribe button. I think this is going pretty well, to be fair. I've only got 3 stuff, he's got 6. But mine are almost all maxed out, so... Oh. Let's send a load of balloons. Yes, I just sent him one. Ready? And another one. Yes, go on, go on, go on, go on. Aww. So now if I go back and then I put another, we've only got 4, they've got 6. If you didn't know, guys, if you click on camo, you can get all the camo ones, and then if you... Oh yeah, we've got the Iridium one. Go on, who's gonna get to it first? Who's gonna get to it first? That's the question. Oh, I think I'm gonna lose. Yes! I can get one! Ready? Watch. Watch him go now. Oh. How is the balloon already nearly smashed? How is that balloon already nearly smashed? Yes! Victory! Hope you all enjoyed this special episode, and see you all next time. Peace out.